Welcome back, everyone, to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hey there, English learners. I'm Jack, and with me is Jennifer.
Hi, Jack. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something really fun, English words for talking about hobbies.
That's right. Talking about hobbies is a great way to practice English and also connect with people.
Exactly. And we'll show you words and phrases you can use every day to describe your hobbies naturally.
Okay, Jennifer, let's start with a simple one. Collecting.
Yes, collecting means you gather items that you like. For example, I enjoy collecting stamps.
Oh, yes. You can also collect coins, postcards, or action figures.
Right. Next word is painting.
Painting is a classic hobby. You can say, I love painting landscapes.
And don't forget about drawing. It's a little different from painting because you usually use pencils or pens.
That's true. Like, I enjoyed drawing cartoons.
Another common hobby is reading.
Oh, yes. Reading is a great way to relax and learn new words. You can say, I like reading novels and magazines.
Exactly. And if you like a specific type, you can say, I love reading mystery books.
Another fun hobby is gardening.
Yes, gardening means taking care of plants and flowers. For example, I spend my weekends gardening in my backyard.
That sounds relaxing, and it's a great way to enjoy nature.
Cheerful. Now, let's talk about cooking.
Yes. Cooking is very popular. You can say, I enjoy cooking Italian food.
And don't forget about baking. Like, I love baking cakes and cookies.
So, you see, Jennifer, talking about hobbies is fun and easy if you know these words.
Exactly. Tomorrow, we'll learn more words and phrases about hobbies that you can use every day.
Hello, everyone. Let's continue learning words for talking about hobbies.
Yes, today we'll cover even more hobbies that you can use in daily conversations.
Let's start with playing sports.
Oh yes, there are so many sports you can enjoy. For example, I like playing football.
And don't forget about basketball, tennis, or swimming. You can say, I enjoy swimming every weekend.
Another fun hobby is dancing.
Yes, dancing is great for exercise and fun. For example, I love dancing salsa.
And you can try other styles too, like hip-hop or ballet.
Next word is singing.
Yes, singing is a wonderful hobby. You can say, I enjoy singing in the shower.
Yes, or if you take lessons, you can say, I'm learning singing at a music school. Another hobby many people enjoy is playing musical instruments.
Exactly. For example, I play the guitar, or I love playing the piano in my free time.
That's a great way to relax and express yourself.
Now let's talk about photography.
Oh, yes, photography is a creative hobby. You can say, I enjoyed taking photos of nature.
And don't forget portrait or travel photography. Like, I love capturing city life in my photos.
Another creative hobby is writing.
Yes, writing can be stories, blogs, or journals. For example, I enjoy writing short stories.
Or, I like keeping a daily journal. Writing is a great way to improve English, too.
Next, we have hiking.
Oh, yes. Hiking is wonderful for nature lovers. You can say, I love hiking in the mountains on weekends.
And it's also a good exercise.
So, Jennifer, we've already covered sports, dancing, singing, instruments, photography, writing, and hiking.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Now we'll continue exploring more words to talk about hobbies.
Yes, there are so many hobbies we can discuss, Jennifer. Let's start with traveling.
Oh, yes, traveling is one of my favorite hobbies. You can say, I enjoy traveling to new countries.
Exactly. And you can also say, I love traveling with my friends.
Another fun hobby is gaming.
Yes, gaming is very popular these days. For example, I enjoy playing video games in my free time.
And it doesn't have to be online games. You can also play board games.
Next, we have crafting. Crafting is a creative hobby, like making decorations, cards, or handmade gifts.
Yes, you can say, I enjoy crafting in my free time, or I love making handmade gifts for my friends.
Another hobby people enjoy is collecting.
Right. Collecting can be anything you like, stamps, coins, or figurines. For example, I collect comic books from my childhood.
And it's a fun way to remember memories or things you love.
Now let's talk about watching movies.
Oh, yes. Everyone loves this hobby. You can say, I enjoy watching movies on weekends.
And you can also say, I love watching action and comedy films.
Another relaxing hobby is listening to music.
Yes, music can be so calming. For example, I like listening to pop music every morning.
Or you can enjoy classical or jazz music. Like, I enjoy listening to jazz while reading.
Another creative hobby is writing.
Yes, you can write stories, poems, or journals. For example, I enjoy writing short stories about my experiences.
And journaling is also great for self-reflection. Like, I write in my journal every night.
So far, we've covered traveling, gaming, crafting, collecting, watching movies, listening to music, and writing.
Exactly.
Yes.
We've already covered sports, music, photography, gardening, and creative hobbies. Let's start with swimming.
Oh, yes, swimming is great for exercise and relaxation. You can say, I enjoy swimming in the pool every weekend.
And if you like the sea, you can say, I love swimming at the beach during summer.
Another popular hobby is hiking.
Exactly. Hiking is perfect for nature lovers. For example, I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
And it's also a good way to stay healthy and active.
Next, we have fishing.
Ah, yes. Fishing is very relaxing. You can say, I love fishing by the river on weekends.
And you can enjoy it alone or with friends. I usually go fishing with my dad.
Another fun hobby is playing cards.
Yes, card games are perfect for family and friends. For example, I enjoy playing poker with my friends.
And it's also a great way to think strategically.
Now let's talk about baking.
Oh, yes. Baking is delicious and fun. You can say, I love baking cakes and cookies.
And you can also bake bread, muffins, or pies. Like, I enjoy baking bread at home.
Another creative hobby is sewing.
Yes, sewing is very useful. You can say, I enjoy sewing my own clothes, or I like sewing gifts for my friends.
And it's also relaxing and satisfying to finish a project.
Next, we have watching TV shows or series.
Oh, yes. This is a very popular hobby. You can say, I enjoy watching TV series in my free time.
And you can talk about your favorite genres, like, I love watching comedies and thrillers.
Another relaxing hobby is meditation.
Yes, meditation helps you calm your mind. For example, I practice meditation every morning.
And it's a great way to reduce stress and feel peaceful.
So far, we've covered swimming, hiking, fishing, playing cards, baking, sewing, watching TV shows, and meditation.
That's right. Yes.
Let's start with knitting.
Oh, yes. Knitting is a relaxing and creative hobby. You can say, I enjoy knitting scarves for my family.
And you can also make blankets or hats. Like, I love knitting in the evenings while listening to music.
Another popular hobby is jogging.
Yes, jogging is great for fitness and mental health. You can say, I enjoy jogging every morning in the park.
And it's a simple hobby you can do almost anywhere.
Next, let's talk about playing chess.
Ah, yes. Chess is a fun and challenging hobby. You can say, I enjoy playing chess with my friends.
And it also helps improve your thinking skills.
Another hobby is learning languages.
Absolutely. You can say, I enjoy learning English and Spanish, or I like learning new languages online.
That's a productive hobby and also very useful for your future.
Now, let's cover volunteering.
Yes, volunteering is a meaningful hobby. You can say, I enjoy volunteering at animal shelters.
And you can help in many ways, teaching, cleaning, or organizing events.
Another fun hobby is playing the guitar.
Yes, music is always enjoyable. For example, I love playing the guitar in my free time.
And you can play alone or with friends. It's great for creativity and fun.
Finally, don't forget hobbies like cycling, painting, and writing. They're all amazing ways to spend your free time.
That's right. And remember, using these words naturally in conversations makes your English fluent and fun.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Podcast with FTJ. Keep practicing all these words and talking about your hobbies in English.
Yes, practice every day, stay motivated, and your English will improve quickly.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.